Welcome. Today I'm going to make some Oeuf and Cocotte. It is French, so I probably mispronounced it, but that's alright. It's an egg dish with spinach, and it should be nice for Easter. Never made it before, so let's try, shall we? Add some oil to a pan and heat up 2 to 3 handfuls of fresh spinach. Something like that. Meanwhile, turn on your oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 374 degrees Fahrenheit. About 2 or 3 minutes should be enough for the spinach. Now, get yourself a bowl and add your spinach to it. Cut a few sun-dried tomatoes into pieces. The amounts you use are up to you. And add them to your spinach. Together with some pepper and salt. As always, add as much as you like to taste. And to this mixture of tomato and spinach, we're going to add some crème fraîche. Now, if you don't know what crème fraîche is, it's a kind of cream cheese. It's somewhere between 10 and 45% fat. So it's pretty sturdy. I'm going to add, let's see, 2 heaping tablespoons of crème fraîche. And to that all, 2 small eggs. Now the recipe tells me I do not have to mix the ingredients, which feels weird, but I'm going to trust the process. What it does tell me is that I have to place my bowl in an oven dish and fill that oven dish with water. Fill the oven dish with water so that half the bowl is submerged. So that is what I'm going to do. And then place everything in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Sprinkle your Oeuf with some Parmesan cheese and serve with toasted bread. And bon appetit! Wow, there it is. Looks pretty interesting. Wonder how it tastes. It tastes like egg with cheese, which is a great combination, of course. The egg is a bit liquid still, but it tastes pretty good. It's a bit hard to scoop up with your bread. Doesn't really want to stay on. Better than I expected. But a bit slimy.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.